Hey guys, welcome to the BuzzWeaver channel, or for all my current subscribers, welcome back to the channel. And I wanted to address something that the ASMR, the Autonomous Sensory Response, Meridian Response people, are experiencing. And I first came across this just at random from Jellybean Green. This was a while back, 2 months ago. She just appeared on my feed there because I do listen to ASMR. It's nice, relaxing. And she mentioned that they're going to be making ad changes here to YouTube. And so the problem they were experiencing, of course, is that ads were going to appear on their videos, which was going to interrupt and disrupt their user experience because, of course, people who listen to ASMR want to have that experience ad-free. Now, if you use Firefox, I have found throughout the years, and I know this seems kind of weird as a content creator myself, but I use Ublock, and it works every time. I've never had an experience with it. So when I was talking to Jellybean about this, or made a comment about it, she was just outlining some things, which I understood what she was saying, but maybe I should have been more explicit in my explanation by explaining Ublock. So here we go. So if you're still using Firefox, or I would recommend you use Firefox if you're having this problem with ASMR, because of course Google owns Chrome, or created Chrome, and so obviously they can make these sorts of changes towards other browsers, and we'll talk about that here in a moment. So I'm going to leave a link down. Well, I can't leave the link because YouTube has issues with this, but if you go to Firefox and look up themes, or Firefox themes, you will come to this extensions page, or extensions. You're going to go to privacy and security. In privacy and security, you're going to want to select Ublock Origin. Ublock Origin, here where I have removed because I already have it, you're going to install. So once it's installed, you can then go up here to the top right-hand corner. I'm going to leave the task manager up here so you guys can see it. But up here in the top right-hand corner, I have my extensions out on the toolbar. Now, there is an extension hideaway, extension manager here, but I like to keep mine out on the bar. You have a button here to turn it on and off. And if you turn it off, you can refresh the page, turn it back on when you want it to block. All right, so while you're here and you've clicked on the icon, you want to go over here to the little gears and click on the gears. And then it's probably going to start you off where it says settings. And you're going to go over here to filter list. And I'm going to go ahead and purge this so you guys can see it. So what you're going to see is update now. So you're just going to click on update now to make sure that everything is up to date and running well and efficiently and effectively, and will block whatever YouTube has put out there to ensure that their ads get through. Now, again, like I said, CPM and RPM are based upon the rate or click rates. They're not necessarily indicative or have any issues with Ublock. It doesn't impact like what we earn as YouTube content creators. But also, it's interesting as a Firefox user because Louis Rossman here says, is YouTube making Firefox load slow on purpose? And according to some of his information, you guys can look him up also, and you can see some of the details that he goes into in the scripts and everything. But definitely a lot going on with Google and YouTube to have, well, I mean, our experiences as creators or just users sometimes can be inhibited by some of the changes that a lot of these companies and businesses want to make. But if you are a ASMR fan and you enjoy your ASMR, you are going to want to probably get Ublock and use Firefox. I know maybe you don't use Firefox. Maybe it's not your thing. Maybe you're still sticking with Chrome. But to help you guys out, I definitely would suggest Ublock Origin for your ASMR experience because it'll be a lot better. And I've never had a problem listening to ASMR with ads. And I try to support my fellow creators by watching a lot of their videos. I run them in the background. Another thing that does too, if you guys are just curious, a lot of memory usage when using Firefox too and watching videos. I'll just give you a quick look. And here today, after watching videos, I'm clearing 6,866 megabytes of memory just from watching the few videos as well as creating this one for you guys. If you have any questions about Ublock or Firefox, by all means, leave a question down there in the comment section. I'll try to address it. So I hope this is going to help out all you guys there on ASMR. And, of course, as we say here in the YouTube business, that'll be the YouTube icon appearing there on the screen, or the channel icon. You guys can click on that to subscribe, as well as to select notifications. That we know when there's content here on the channel. And I'll see all you guys in the next video.